Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I am back in the Dollar Tree. You know what that means. Let's go shopping. Just when you think the Dollar Tree's outdone themselves, they go a little farther. So we're going to be looking at all kinds of things. Anything new here today for fall and Halloween. First things are these $5 signs, these front door leaning entryway signs. I just am a big fan of these for $5. You cannot beat them. Now, something else that's new is this little pie garland for $3. It's already DIY'd out of felt. Like, it's already done, and $3. They also have the stacked pumpkins. So the last time we were in, I think that they might have had one or two, but they didn't have the blue ones. So they are definitely playing up the blue this season. They have little crates full of floral for $5. They are doing a much better job on their florals. You guys know I just took you into Walmart to see the Fall Decor, and they're really doing a much better job in their floral. Now, they did these scrolly light up pumpkins last year for $5. I don't believe they had a blue one though. So this year it is sort of a dark maroon, the white, and the blue. These are stunning. These are so stunning for $5. It is 3 stacked pumpkins on a wooden base. That little curly Q that gives them their dimension is just really Hobby Lobby-esque. These are high-end dupes for sure for $5. They've got lots of little signs coming out for $3 as well. This one in the harvest, and you could always take the pumpkins off and use that on a wreath. DIY with those pumpkins. $3, you just cannot beat it. Now, the last time we were in, they had some crate style pumpkins like these, but again, not this big. This is quite tall, and they didn't have them in that blue color. They are really playing up all kinds of color schemes. They've got the little pictures in the copper and again in the blue. Down here, they have the milk jugs in tin. Now they do have little scenes on them, but they do come in a few different colors, blue, yellow, and my favorite, this green. And you could always flip it around and just use it on the plain side. Speaking of green, they have trays. Yes, Dollar Tree is doing $5 trays. There are 3 versions. This one in Hello Pumpkin with the brown edging, really pretty. I was holding this one up and a gal said, "Ooh, that's pretty." I also really like the green one in All Things Give Thanks, and then they have a white neutral in Gather with the Leaves. So Dollar Tree outdoing themselves. They're putting out taller florals in some metal tins. Now, something I don't know where the footage went is Lazy Susans, you guys. They're putting out wooden Lazy Susans. There's 2 of them. I'll try and put them up on my community post if I can find a photo. Now, the pumpkins. These are as big as the ones at Walmart, and they're $3. They are $7.44 at Walmart, so save yourself some green and pick them up at the Dollar Tree for $3, less than half the price of the ones at Walmart. Again, really good shapes, really good colors, really good sizes. Now for $5, they have these mercury glass dupes. This is a high-end Pottery Barn look for $5. So they do come in all the metallics, silver, gold, and copper. Each color comes in 3 sizes. So you have the tall one, you have the one that's shaped more like a squash, and then you have the short squatty one. I'm telling you, these look like real glass. You can't beat them for $5. I am just blown away by these. I love that they already have the batteries in them. They do light up, just a little quick on-off switch. Over here, they're putting out some door hangings, some wreaths. So these are $5. They are little baskets filled with some fall floral. They have a burlap bow. If you add it all up, I don't think you could buy the things to make it for that. Now, they do have some really good pumpkins this year. These are $3 pumpkins. This one in the blue and white. I know blue is very popular right now. They also have a cream version and then some burgundy. This one, very farmhouse in the gray. They also have it in the check in the orange and white, a little burgundy. I'm seeing lots of burgundy actually this year. Speaking of which, a Sherpa pumpkin for $3. So they did a few different pumpkins down here to choose from. This one, it's a little striped one in the green and orange. They also have a few in corduroy, which are really cute. I found that corduroy in the yellow and in orange, and then they have a few that are more of like a sweater print. Here are some throws they're putting out for $5. There's the burgundy again. There are gnomes on that one. There's a light blue with the sunflowers, and then the fall leaves on the white. They also have a gnome garland. It's so cute. It's a DIY already done with the little yarn beards for $3. So if you're a gnome fan, you may want to check those out. Now they are putting out a lot of tablecloths. They're beating the prices at Walmart for $3. Probably not as heavy, but some really great prints to choose from. Now looking over here, I wanted to see if there was anything new going on. So they do have a few signs we didn't see the last time in. This one in the metal, ding dong, the witch is in. I don't think that changes either. So it's just in all the time, kind of like motherhood. They also have some bows up here for $3. So that's actually a pumpkin print on both the orange as well as the purple. The gnomes, they're still here, but there are some things over here I wanted to show you guys. These I think are considered garden stakes. You'd have to do a little bit of the assembling. There are actually 3. They're $5 a piece. So I found these 2 up here, but you can see on the front that the boo comes in 2 versions, one with pumpkins and one with just the ghost. They have the sequin pumpkins down here. I love the bright blue. I think that one's so pretty. They also have some silver, some black, and some gold to choose from, and even tablecloths for Halloween. So if you set up a little table outside for trick-or-treaters, these would be a great buy for $3. Last time in, we saw the door knockers or doorbells. I didn't know it comes also in a skeleton, so I wanted to point that out. Then over here, they have hung the bags that we were talking about last time in the fur. Those are $3. You could DIY a pillow, but I'm going to show you that they actually have made the pillows for you. They also have the tinsel cat. I know a lot of people like to use those on wreaths, and these 2 standing pieces, I cannot believe they are just $5. They're quite large. I just think that this looks like you would pay a whole lot more at any other store for that. Now, I didn't have the footage from last time in of the snack bowls and the skeleton or skull, so I wanted to show you guys close up. They have it in a black, a gold, an iridescent, and a silver. The gold one I think looks quite nice. Someone was buying that when I was in. Here's a look at those pillows down here. They're already stuffed and you can't beat it. They're so much better sized than other dollar shopping areas. Now for $5, they have some candles. They've got this one in the skull that has sort of an orange interior, a rib cage. I'm a nurse. I love that. A couple more skulls. There's a brain. That's pretty cool. I do like that. They also have the little potion and cauldron and the heart. Bum, 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 bum. I love this. If you know a cardiologist, you may want to pick that up for them. They also have the light up ghouls and goblins. So for $5, they've got the ghost, a skull, and the jack-o'-lantern. They're putting out more lanterns, these ones with the skull on them, and then they do have some skeleton lights for $5. So cute. There are so many things here that I don't think I'd ever imagine finding at Dollar Tree. They have these massive spiders. These are as big as the ones you can find at places like Target, and they're only $3 here. And these pumpkins are to die for. They're a really nice velvet, and they are only $5. They also have some with some spooky lace and spiders on them. And are you kidding me? They have inflatables for $5. Never seen anything like this before at Dollar Tree, where you can just go in and get everything you need for a holiday. They have the baking cups in a 50 count for $3. Those would be great if you're going to DIY some faux treats. It comes in a few different prints. I'm going to show you guys. They actually have those in the fall prints as well. They also have a 2-tiered tray. 2 versions. So the white one is actually little ghosts and the black one is spiders, and it is a DIY. You get to assemble it, but you get all the pieces for $5. Down here they have these framed images. So they've got a skeleton boy and girl, and then the rose as well for $3. You couldn't even get the frame other places for that price. Now they do have lots of the door hanging large signs for $5 for Halloween on an end cap. And for $5, a metal stacked pumpkin in white and orange. These are just unbelievable things that they've put out this year. They also have these little crate style pumpkins. So cute. A few different ones to choose from. I'm not sure that I could make that. This is actually $1.25. They're also putting out some decorative table plaques for Thanksgiving or any type of table setting you're doing this fall. Love the acorn options. And these, are you kidding me? Okay, Dollar Tree, you are definitely giving other stores and retailers a run for their money. We've seen things like this at places like Michael's and Joann's and Hobby Lobby, And now you can get them for $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. They also have these really nice, quite large buckets. So if you're looking for a gift container this fall or just something to DIY with. They also are putting out so many options for pumpkins this year. Now these are my favorite. These are the more natural ones. They are on picks like sticks, and they do have one that's even covered in moss. So that definitely could go either for Halloween or for fall. They also have the sweater knit pumpkins out. Those come in pink and gray, blue, white, and green. Lots of glitter pumpkins. Now those are actually going to be a little bit more than they would be at Walmart. I just took you guys there to show you those. They have the pumpkins in Sherpa this year. They come in a couple different color options. In addition to the velvet and the regular ones, they're also putting out some acorn picks. Now these are felt covered and quite large. I do miss the other ones they used to carry. Haven't seen those yet this year. Now they've got these that are sort of like a wool appearance, and then they have some really good sized pumpkins for $1.25. And speaking of good sized items, these are scarecrows. They're bigger than they have been in the last few years. I think they look a lot better, and you can't beat them for $1.25. Now, something else you may want to check out are their gift boxes and cupcake wrappers. We're going to take a quick look at this craft wall, and then on the other side, we're going to be taking a look at the new items they're putting out for Halloween. They have some ceramic critters and characters, from scarecrows to owls, some acorn candles, so pretty, love the bronze. They also have wax melts out for fall, and pumpkins, so many pumpkins. These are the minis. Those come in all different kinds, but lots of plaid. They also have this new piece that I think is pretty with the pumpkin on it in the wood round, some loose acorns, and then some fun metal hanging gnomes. Found those in 4 different versions with different colored hats on them, carrying different little fall things with them as well. And over here, I think they did a really good job on the ribbon. I love the blue that they're incorporating as part of some of their larger ribbon, as well as some of their smaller. And some of the sizes on this ribbon is just amazing. They are also putting out all kinds of little wooden pieces. These are great for crafting and decor. They've got pumpkins and acorns. They are also putting out all kinds of fabric, and they do have some blues in here as well, some gnomes, some pumpkins, and some mushrooms, definitely on trend. They also have these pumpkins that have leaves etched on them in the white, the orange, as well as the green with gold toppers. And then these hanging beaded pumpkins are so cute. I found them in 4 different versions, including a white back here. Now that's something we might have DIY'd in years past, but now you can just buy it already made. They do have some really nice pine cones and acorns. They come in silver, bronze, and then they have this gold pumpkin. How pretty is that for $1.25? They also have the little collection of the velvet covered pumpkins. These come in all kinds of colors. They also have this little sweater print set. We're going to see more of those in a minute. Some ribbon bows that are already made. They've got the picks in the green, blue, and gray. I think they also come in a few other colors. They have some pre-made scarecrow hats for crafting, and then these hanging pieces. These would be great little ornaments or tags, or even little additions to your tablescape for Thanksgiving. They're also putting out these metal pumpkins, so cute. I love the first one I showed you with the little coffee. They also have the little wagon, and here's a look at some more of those sweater print colors. So it looks like cream and green as well as orange, and some faux wood pumpkins. These are right up my alley. I really like seeing these. They actually come in a few different colors. I found them sort of scattered about, and I tried to collect them and put them back where they should be, which is all together. Here's a look at the lighter color of wood that they also come in, and then these that are just so fun. I love a nice chunky pumpkin. They also have these hanging pieces in the coffee, as well as pumpkin kisses, and then up here in Hello Pumpkin with a handle already beaded on it. Down here they have some mason style jars that are tabletop decor in 4 versions. I love this one with the recipe on it. And their stickers, I mentioned this in the last shop with me, they're doing better. Look at that. Those little gnomes are drinking their fall beverages. They also come in a few different fall themes. And then let's switch gears. I wanted to show you guys, we were talking about the ornaments the last time in, and the eyeballs are back. But in addition to the eyeballs, I want to point out some great pick options. They're putting out little witches hats. They're putting out some really cute striped pumpkins. The black pumpkins for crafting are back. They also have these little spiders in the tinsel, great additions for your wreaths. They're putting out even more picks for crafting and decorating. So comment down below, let me know. Are you excited to see what they're putting out for Halloween or for fall? There seems to be quite a rush on Halloween this year. Now they also have these little wreath kits. I think this is brilliant. This is a great addition to any wreath. They're already made for you. You just put them in and attach them. This is one of my favorite signs that they put out and couldn't be more true for my neighborhood. Now I wanted to point out that they're putting out some mini apothecary jars as well as bones and some larger jars, and they're also putting out some Halloween themed leather. I know, crazy to think about. They're putting out leather sheets to craft with, some really cute ribbon that they're putting out. And stay tuned guys, because this won't be our only trip into Dollar Tree this season. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.